Okay, as an SMF Pro trader, once again, we bought that 580 put, senior traders. They got hit at 360 by 370. And basically, we traded in and out of that call. And I gave new bids at 820 over here on the 580 call. This is the 580 put. They took 100% premium out. That's called the gap sequence. And we're going to protect that order. If it falls on the bid here at 590, senior traders are going to dump and sell on the bid. And until that day, we continue to go higher here, and we're going to buy on this side of the market again lower. What I want people to understand on the tape, hold on one second. Tape. This is a follow-up on Google. Now, look at that NASDAQ 100. They gapped it, they crapped it, they came up, and they crapped it again. Now, I'm going to move this down here. This is an, hey, I put bids. Now, remember, we bought the high here. Here's what they did. When they gapped Google up on the option trade, they stole the premium and we bought the put. We also bought and traded the call. And I've got new bids out here at 750. And we exited at 1060 and 1030. And our entry was 920 off the high of 1190. That's called being a market maker. And there's the NASDAQ 100 going down. And here are your calls and your puts. And I gave bids. Who's wholesale? Look at the public love to buy the high up there at 11.90, and then they love to write it down $4. That's what they love to do. And at the same time, when they gapped that Google trade up, we bought the put, then we bought the call. We're still in the put. They took 100%. You've always got to be looking at the other side of your trade. Now, I may cash this in right here, and I'm going to buy this at 750. And I recorded every live trade, and we're down at 780, and we sold at 1030 by 1060. It hit 1190. We dropped down. We got hit at 920. Out at 1030 by 60. At the same time, 360, 370 on that. Put options are making the money. Because somebody asked me before the market was open, and I told them what trading is about. Let this be your example, pal. There ain't no such thing about buy and hold. It's about trading. It's about trading and hedging your positions with these options. We're professionals at it. And we are showing it to you live here and now. 580 call, 580 put. Close at 650. They gapped it. They stole the premium. We bought it. They pulled this back off 1190. We got hit. All right, Brian Plain, I'm going to let you guys buy at 750, and I'm going to see where I get support. Now I'm going to move these things out of the way, and I'm going to see where my NASDAQ 100 is. Let me move these out of the way. And here, okay, so there's, what is there? 40, 50, 45. So we're selling out. I'm going to sell those out. All right, here. Sell the rest of them, you guys. Just sell the rest of them, and then we'll re-square it back. I'll tell you what. Hold a third of it, so that way when you're getting in the call again, well, you've already made enough money on both sides of the trade. So basically what I want you guys to do is go down here and get hit at 750 here, and then we hit 720. I can see where some of the sells were. That's right. 690 by 710, they bring it down to 750, and you start selling the peak over here. And you start buying wholesale over here and sell the retail side of that at 580 put. As soon as I go look at the daily chart. Here, people, I gave bids out at 750 earlier on in the tape. Now, we only took a little position. Remember, they were 1190. And we've traded in and out of these things. And the SMF Pro Trader, Master Trader, they are hit at 750. Now, they're going to put another order out, because what we're going to do is that the closing price yesterday was 7.80, and they own it 30 cents below yesterday's price. And the public got in up here at the high, and they held the contracts all the way down to the SMF Pro Traders wholesale entry. So because of the SMF Pro Trader getting hit at 750, if you take 1190 and subtract 750, that's the cost savings on that wholesale royal entry as a market maker in the option. And remember, talk is cheap. We gave the order out 20 minutes ago, and we readjusted it, and they're hit, and they own it cheaper than yesterday. And basically what it was about was, it was about sell the gap. Selling Google Gap.